Hey everybody, Lee from Pcjunkiemods. I was asked by Newegg and Intel to build a custom rig for the legendary PC sweepstakes. The motherboard is the MSI MEG Z390 Ace, and that has the Intel i9 9900K with 64 gigabytes of g.skill Trident Z Royals, two MSI 2080 Ti Seahawks, the EVGA Supernova 1000G3 with custom sleeve cables from Mainframe Customs, two 14 terabyte Seagate Ironwolves, two Samsung 970 Pro M.2 512 gigabyte SSDs. The chassis is from Singularity Computers. It's a Spectre 2.0. We have part of the Elite kit, which is the front panel. Also, the tubing is from Singularity Computers. And then all the rest of the water cooling is EKWB. The water blocks, and then the fittings, the radiators, the fans. This custom build here, all in, is over $15,000. We took the Singularity's Spectre 2.0 and stripped down all the metal. We powder coated that from the original black to a gunmetal gray with an orange for a slight accent. The first time I put it together, I had to figure out how the hard drive situation was going to be because, for one, it didn't support 2 3.5 drives. So I ended up creating a custom plate that goes over the top here that enabled me to have a little lip edge over here to mount this other hard drive, and then this one went here. Once the powder coating was done, I was able to put the case all back together and then start getting all the system in there and laying out the water cooling, and then obviously building the custom tubes. And I thought they would look cool if they both came out of the GPU and branched off in a horizontal line. And then I kind of tried to follow that same idea up here where they both come out of the CPU and go straight up. Here I ended up doing a lot of fittings because of the fact that I didn't think it was going to look right with the tube here. And this one dives straight into the manifold and goes across. One of the cool things about this chassis is the cable management setup. So it actually has routing for your wires. Obviously you don't want to use OEM wires from your power supply. You want to get sleeve cables or a cable kit. When you put a PC together and you're going to custom water cool it, it's not easy as 1, 2, 3. A lot of people think dumping either CPU to GPU is okay. I try to avoid that if I can because I don't want to put a hot flow of liquid into another hardware part. As it is, a 9900K is pushing 5 gigahertz. So the last thing I want to do is add more heat to it. I want to get the best performance out of the system. I wanted to come out of the reservoir into the GPUs, and then from the GPUs, like I said, not into the CPU, but up into the top radiator and out of that radiator into the CPU. And then use the channels that are already built into this case here to help me get this tube over to there, but still keep this nice symmetrical look where the tubes are both coming straight up. So I'm able to achieve that with this case because it has a liquid flow channel here to be able to get to this other radiator. And then from that radiator, I was able to go to the front panel and then back into that reservoir. So if you guys have any questions or need some support or help with something, be sure to leave a comment below. I'll try to chime in at some point. So you guys can check me out on all the social media apps, Pcjunkiemods, or on Twitch, it's PCJmods, and then also my website is Pcjunkiemods.com. Good luck to everybody. Be sure to check out Newegg and Intel social media. Because of them, you have this chance to win this legendary PC. Once again, this is Lee from Pcjunkiemods signing off.